How do I know if my roof needs to be repaired or replaced? A roof usually needs repair when the damage is small and limited, but replacement is more likely when the roof is old, failing in many areas, or has widespread water damage. Start by checking the roof's age, because asphalt shingle roofs commonly last about 20 to 30 years, while metal, tile, and some other materials can last much longer. Look for missing, cracked, curled, or loose shingles, especially in several different sections. Dark stains, damp insulation, peeling paint, or a musty smell in the attic can show that water is getting inside. Small damage around one vent or a few shingles may be repairable, but leaks in many places often mean the roof system is wearing out. Look for sagging along the roof line or on the inside ceiling, because sagging can signal damaged wood and should be inspected quickly. A useful step is to inspect the attic during daylight and after heavy rain, but do not walk on the roof yourself because it can be slippery and fragile. Ask a qualified roofing contractor for clear photos, an explanation of the damage, and separate prices for repair and replacement. One detail many homeowners miss is that old flashing around chimneys, walls, and vents can cause leaks even when the shingles look acceptable. A common mistake is judging the roof only from the ground, so inspect the attic and have hard-to-see areas checked safely. Another misconception is that one leak always means the whole roof must be replaced, so first find out whether the problem is limited to flashing, a vent, or a small damaged section. Do not ignore small ceiling stains, because water can spread through insulation and wood before the stain becomes larger. Also, do not choose the cheapest estimate without checking insurance, references, materials, and warranty terms, because poor installation can shorten the roof's life. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.